Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel direct debit on Monzo. So, let's dive in. First things first, open the Monzo app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the app, tap on the Payments icon located in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the payment section where you can manage all your transactions. Next, tap on Scheduled to view all your recurring payments, including direct debits. Here, you'll see a list of all the scheduled payments you have to set up. Scroll through the list and find the direct debit you want to cancel. Once you've located it, tap on it to open the details. In the direct debit details, you'll see an option to cancel direct debit. Tap on this option and confirm your choice. Make sure you cancel the direct debit at least one full day before it's due to leave your account to avoid any issues. Don't forget to inform the company that you've canceled the direct debit. This will prevent them from trying to collect payments in the future and ensure everything is properly handled. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel a direct debit on Monzo. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.